All right. I met with my good friend here. His name is Mark, and he's just going to tell us where he's from, his name, and probably why he called, and where he wants to see himself in future. Mark, kindly.
Okay, so I'm Marek. I'm from Poland. What was next?
Why? What do you do?
Uh, yeah, I'm a programmer. I'm busy currently with some non-programming stuff, but in my free time I develop a framework,
Okay.
which I presented here last year, well received, and we have workshops today on this subject.
All right. All right. How has been your experience in Kenya so far?
So I'm here a second time because I like Kenya and I had great experience. I had not much time to see around last time because I was working all the time
Okay.
remotely. But this time I'm free and I will explore everything. I will go out of Nairobi. I will find many interesting stuff to do.
True. 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 What is the thing that made you to start coding, and where do you see yourself, or what is the impact you want to make with writing code?
Okay, so I was 4 years old when I got my family bought a PC, and it was like for whole family a tool for work as they described, and I was super excited. I remember that day when we bring it home. I
Okay.
remember the smell of the shop we took it from, and when I was 8 years old, I wrote my first algorithms, my first application made in Pascal. I was just modifying actually the code of my sister. She was 5 years older than me,
Okay.
and she was doing it for school. So when she done, since she was struggling, when she done, I started tweaking it all directions, and I was enjoying it a lot. So it's I think everyone feels it differently. For me, it was super exciting all my life. And I started there, and when I was about 12, I think I started with web technologies, and I learned it from passion. There was no market to sell it then. Then I was selling cheaply, and then it just settled my life. The things which I learned 12, 13, maybe 14 years old set me on life. Okay. Then I was improving on university, which at this point I had the feeling that I just needed that I know already everything and I had lots of experience, but then actually I learned something and that was great.
Okay. Where do you, what kind of impact do you want to create with coding?
So as I'm making framework, I think I would like to improve the way people are creating applications, not only web applications, but mainly as it's a very popular thing. So the first thing to deliver is set of tools for web applications.
Oh, great, great, great. Maybe just a final word to someone who wants to start coding.
Yeah, as I think what I said at the beginning of this day, I was already contradicted twice on other talks. So yes, please reinvent the wheel.
True.
And then what was the second thing? I don't remember. But also it was yes for mentorships. Yes,
Okay.
yes, look for mentors, but also try to disassemble, like be alone, disassemble, try to understand on your own because it's a great exercise for your brain. And if you will always go for tutorials and like for tutors, live teachers or artificial teachers, you will miss important part of your training.
True, true, true.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mark, for your
Thank you.
time.
Thank you.
Welcome.